Dalit literature. Dalit literature is a powerful movement in Indian writing that gives voice to the oppressed and marginalized sections of society, especially those belonging to the scheduled castes and tribes. It emerged strongly in the 1960 and 1970, mainly in Marathi literature through writers like Babura Bagul, Namdeo Dhasal, and Sharan Kumar Limbale. Later, it spread to other Indian languages like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and English. Dalit writers focus on the harsh realities of caste discrimination, social injustice, and the struggle for equality and dignity. Their works express anger, pain, and protest against centuries of exploitation. Dalit literature is not just a form of art, but also a tool for social reform and awareness. It highlights the experiences of those who were silenced by mainstream literature and society. Autobiographies like Om Prakash Valmiki's Juthan and Bama's Karuku are landmark works that reveal the emotional and physical struggles of Dalits. Through poetry, fiction, and essays, Dalit writers aim to inspire self respect, unity, and change. Dalit literature thus stands as a symbol of resistance, empowerment, and the quest for human equality in modern India. Russian literature and translation. Russian literature is one of the richest traditions in the world, known for its deep understanding of human emotions, morality, and social issues. When translated into other languages, it opened a new world of thought and creativity to readers across the globe. The 19th century is called the golden age of Russian literature, with great writers like Leo Tolstoy, Fyodor Dostoevsky, Ivan Turgenev, and Anton Chekhov. Their novels, such as War and Peace, Anna Karenina, Crime and Punishment, and The Cherry Orchard, reveal the struggles of individuals and society. Translation made these masterpieces accessible worldwide, influencing writers and thinkers everywhere. In the 20th century, authors like Maxim Gorky, Alexander Solzhenitsyn, and Boris Pasternak continued to explore themes of revolution, freedom, and human dignity. Translators played a vital role in preserving the emotional depth and philosophical ideas of the original Russian texts. Through translation, readers could experience Russia's unique culture, spirituality, and realism. It helped spread universal ideas of love, suffering, and hope. Thus, Russian literature in translation bridges cultures and continues to inspire readers with its timeless stories and profound human truths. American and Canadian literature reflect the history, culture, and identity of North America. American literature began with colonial writings and grew through movements like Romanticism, Realism, and Modernism. Writers such as Nathaniel Hawthorne, Mark Twain, Emily Dickinson, and Ernest Hemingway explored themes of freedom, individuality, and the American dream. Canadian literature developed later, shaped by its multicultural society, vast landscapes, and struggles for identity. Authors like Margaret Atwood, Alice Munro, and Michael Ondaatje highlighted issues of gender, nature, and belonging. Both literatures share similarities yet maintain unique voices, America focusing on liberty and personal experience, and Canada emphasizing community and cultural diversity. Together, they represent the richness of North American storytelling. 20th century literature 20th century literature marks a period of great change, experimentation, and reflection on human experiences. It was influenced by two world wars, industrialization, and social revolutions, which deeply affected writers and their themes. The age saw the rise of modernism, where writers like T.S. Eliot, James Joyce, and Virginia Woolf broke traditional rules of writing and explored inner consciousness, fragmentation, and alienation. Later, postmodernism emerged, represented by writers such as Samuel Beckett and Thomas Pynchon, who used irony, absurdity, and playfulness to question truth and meaning. In poetry, figures like W.B. Yeats, Sylvia Plath, and Ted Hughes express personal and political emotions with new intensity. Across the world, colonial and post-colonial writers such as Chinua Achebe, Derek Walcott, and Salman Rushdie gave voice to suppressed cultures and identities. Women writers like Virginia Woolf and Doris Lessing brought feminist perspectives to the forefront. Overall, 20th century literature reflects humanity's struggle with modern life, identity, and existential doubt, while celebrating creativity, diversity, and the power of language to question and reshape reality.